Is Montessori certification worth it? I get asked that question all the time, and every time I can hear something underneath it, a little hope, a little doubt, maybe even a little fear. I know that feeling, and I want to give you a real answer today, not the version that sounds good on a website, but the honest one. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you stand and what to do next. Whether you've been thinking about this for a week or a year, stay with me, okay? Now, I know what's underneath that question. It's not just about the money, though that's very real. It's about time. It's about risk. It's about that quiet voice that says, what if I invest in this and nothing changes? What if I'm not the right person for this? Those are very fair questions, and they deserve a fair answer. So let me give you one. I've heard people say, you don't need a certificate to be a good teacher. And in some sense, that's true. Heart matters, instinct matters, your love for children matters enormously. But here's what I've seen again and again in the teachers who go through proper Montessori training. The teachers who go deepest into this work, the ones who truly transform their classrooms and their careers, are the ones who invest in themselves fully, who give themselves the knowledge, the structure, and the community of real training. Not because they had to, but because they decided they were worth it. I want to clear something up. Certification is not just a piece of paper to frame on your wall. It is a complete education in how children actually develop and why the Montessori method meets them where they are. That is something that no amount of reading or watching videos can fully replace. When you go through proper Montessori training, you come out understanding child development in a way that changes how you see the child in front of you. You understand why a 3-year-old needs to pour water before they can write, why a child needs to touch things before they can truly understand them, why freedom and structure are not opposites, they are partners. And that knowledge gives you something else. It gives you confidence, the kind of confidence that means you don't have to guess anymore. You walk into your classroom knowing why you're doing what you're doing. And when you know your why, everything becomes clearer. Practically speaking, certification opens doors. Lead teacher positions, international schools, charter and private Montessori programs, and eventually the freedom to build something of your own. Those doors are much harder to open without it. I want to tell you about a teacher that I was working with. She came into training a little skeptical. She'd been teaching for years and she was good at her job. She didn't really think that she needed this. And then, somewhere around week 3, she came to me and said, something is different. I don't know what it is, but the children I'm working with are calmer. I'm calmer. It's like I finally understand what I'm doing, but more than that, I understand why. Now, what changed wasn't her natural ability. What changed was the lens through which she was seeing. She had the language now, the framework, the deep understanding, and with that came a kind of peace, a professional peace. And I have watched this happen again and again in the educators who go through this training. That is what certification gives you, not just a credential, a transformation in how you understand your work and yourself as an educator. If you've been drawn to Montessori, if you've watched the videos, read the books, maybe visited a school, and something in you keeps pulling you back to it, that pull is worth listening to. If you're a teacher who's tired of a system that doesn't see children the way that you do, tired of the noise and the pressure and the feeling that something important is missing, then this training can be the beginning of a very different kind of career. And if you've never taught before, but you know in your bones that this is the work you want to do, there is a place for you too. You don't have to arrive already knowing everything. That is what training is for. Here is what I truly believe after all these years. The teachers who transform children's lives are not always the most naturally talented. They are the ones who keep learning, who stay humble, who invest in themselves again and again, because they know that the better they become, the better it is for every child that they ever teach. Montessori certification at its best is not about becoming qualified. It is about becoming the educator that you already sense you could be. And that decision to take yourself seriously, to invest in yourself, is one of the most important things that you'll ever do. Not just for your career, but for the children who are waiting for you. At Sunshine Teachers Training, our programs are built around one belief: that teachers deserve the same respect, care, and investment that Montessori gives to children. We offer flexible, internationally accredited training from our infants and toddlers diploma to our full MACD certification, designed for real educators with real lives. If this conversation has sparked something in you, I want to invite you to find out more. The link is in the description below. Have a look, ask questions, reach out to our team, myself included. There is no pressure, just an open door. And if this video helped you think more clearly about this decision, please share it with someone who might be sitting with the same question. You might give them exactly the nudge that they've been waiting for. Thank you for being here, and until we meet again, have a beautiful day.